Let us have understanding of electrostatic potential energy. We know that potential energy is the stored energy. It depends upon the relative positions of its constituents, and potential energy arises from any collection of charges. Let us obtain equation for potential energy. Here, a small charge be brought from A to B against repulsive forces acting on it. At the end, we obtain the equation of potential energy as minus Fe dot dr. The significance of the negative sign is as the displacement is against the electrostatic force. After integrating potential energy, we obtain the equation with the unit vector in the direction of r. Again, here the significance of negative sign shows that unit vector and electrostatic force are oppositely directed. At the end, we have defined the change in potential energy for a system of charges. Thus, to be the point of zero potential energy as the electrostatic force is zero at infinity. The unit of potential energy is joule. The convergence of 1 electron volts to 1 joule is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Now you can see here the other convergence. This explanation is about the concept of a potential. Please refer the equation of the potential energy of a two-particle system at a distance r from each other. Here, from the next slide, we continue to get equation of work done per unit charge to move the charge between the 2 points. We will derive equation of electric potential due to a point charge. The diagram shows a point charge plus Q located at point O. We have to determine its potential at point A, which is at a distance r from it. Now consider M be the point on this path. The magnitude of the electrostatic force on a unit positive charge is given by the equation of force F. The force is directed away from point O along OM. See the equation for the work done. Here the negative sign in the equation is the displacement is directed opposite to that of force. So after integrating, we obtain the equations of the work done in displacing the unit positive charge from infinity to point A. Also, by definition, we know that this work done is the electrostatic potential due to a charge. The graph shows how electric potential and electric fields vary inversely with the square of the distance r. Thus, V is inversely proportional to 1 upon R. E also inversely proportional to 1 upon R square.